Be honest. When was the last time you actually cleaned your glasses properly? If your answer is, this morning with my shirt, then my friend, we need to talk. Mistake number 1, wiping your lenses with your shirt or tissues. Sure, it's convenient, but guess what? You're basically giving your glasses a sandpaper spa treatment. Mistake number 2, washing your glasses straight under tap water. Tap water might look clean, but minerals in it can damage the coating over time. Mistake number 3, using alcohol or hand sanitizer. That's for your hands, not your lenses. It'll slowly eat away the protective coating. Mistake number 4, never washing your microfiber cloth. Dirty cloth equals more scratches. It's like mopping your floor with a dirty mop. Mistake number 5, tossing your glasses into your bag. That's not a home, that's a danger zone full of keys and coins. So here is how to do it right. Use clean water, mild soap, and a soft microfiber cloth. And if you're using magnetic lenses like these from Dolger, make sure to detach them before cleaning. It makes everything so much easier. Your glasses deserve better. Treat them right and they'll keep your world crystal clear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep your lenses clean.